Number 22, lot F155.1, is a 1967 Chevrolet El Camino with a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and air conditioning. And it's sold for $34,100 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 9,553 miles. And the highlights are 396 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, blue exterior and interior, bucket seats, center console, air conditioning, tonneau cover, power steering, tubular A-arm suspension, power brakes, and front disc brakes. And this one had quite a few custom touches done to it on the interior and even the tonneau cover. But this one doesn't say it's a Super Sport. Doesn't say it's an SS396 version, so I think somebody just put a 396 engine in it, made up their own model, and put their stripes on it, put the Super Sport hood on it, and made a good looker out of it. I think what really made the car was the color, the nice bright blue color. Definitely made it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.